And it was day 3 of jury selection in the Sean Diddy Combs trial, and it looks like the process will continue for another day.
The judge had hoped to get the jury picked by today, but that did not happen. Opening statements are expected Monday. Fox 5's Michelle Ross spent the day in court. She joins us live from Lower Manhattan with more. Hi, Michelle.
Hi there, Natasha and Steve. Now, the pool of qualified jurors has reached 45. So on Friday, attorneys will have an opportunity to strike any juror who they believe will not be able to serve impartially. Now, the judge wanted to be done today on Wednesday to give lawyers on both sides a chance to prepare for 2 days for opening statements on Monday. So even though they're not on time, they're not on schedule with jury selection, opening statements are still scheduled to begin on Monday. Now, part of the jury pool today, they said that they had seen video of Diddy assaulting Cassie in a Los Angeles hotel, but seeing the video isn't enough to disqualify them. Part of the group questioned today ranged in age from mid-20s to early 70s, and they were all asked if a family member or friend was a victim of sexual abuse. One prospective juror said he went to the same high school as Diddy and graduated, but it was 30 years apart. Now, prosecutors will get 6 strikes, and the defense will get 10. As far as witnesses, the prosecution said the first 2 will testify relatively quickly, and the third will take up the remainder of the week. So it'll be interesting to see who that person is, who that witness is. Now, there's also a moment of comic relief during questioning. One of the potential jurors was asked about where he worked. He said MDC Brooklyn, which is the jail, the prison that Diddy is being held. Now, this is obviously a conflict of interest, and he was almost immediately dismissed. But before he was dismissed, the judge had asked both lawyers if they had any questions for him. And Mark Ignifilo, who is the defense attorney for Diddy, jokingly said, "Yes, can we get extended visiting hours?" Now, this got a chuckle out of the courtroom, in which can be an often drawn out and, quite frankly, boring process. So on Friday, court will resume with the juror strikeout process, and then on Monday, we'll be opening statements. We're live outside federal court in Lower Manhattan. Michelle Ross, Fox 5 News.